Yes, let me in fact take that to MK Meena, former IPS officer as well. MK Meena, the court, of course, saying that there is not enough evidence in this case, so the accused must get the benefit of doubt. Do you believe this shows that the case was allegedly framed, or do you believe that the investigation has been done very shoddily, perhaps at the end of the day because the case was not solid enough?
In fact, it is surprising that it has taken 17 years to pronounce this verdict regarding this case. It is too long. Firstly, like police has investigation, they have collected evidence, whatever was available with them. NIA has also collected. The point is very clear. Police collect evidence based on whatever is received, because in such cases when they don't see any eyewitness and they don't have concrete directly, the indirect evidences are taken. Now it depends, indirect evidences, whether they are relied by the court, honorable court, or not. In court perception and court view is different. The police investigation agency, their concept is different. There may be politics that is different, but regarding this, how it is there that they have taken only name of those accused who are involved? There must be some involvement of these accused. Police, like it is just not like that. It's just like they frame the false charges of false investigation is done, and they just charge it because they have to charge it the case. Why they have not arrested others? They have arrested only pinpoint. The point is, the police may not be able to have direct evidence against them. That's why court has not appreciated. Let's have a appeal future, because we have to see two aspects in this case. We don't see only from one point of view. One point is victims, those who have lost lives. They need justice. Other is accused. They also need justice. If they are innocent, they should be acquitted. If they are involved, then they should be punished. Third is state as a whole, like nation as a whole. It is also affected by any terrorist effect. So in this case, it is very difficult to comment. Like just takes their own view because based on their evidence, it is their perception. But there are chances that victim family and others may go to appeal. So let's wait for Honorable High Court and Honorable Supreme Court verdicts, what it comes out. Because it is only benefit of doubt, it's not clear cut case of court has acquitted and they are not involved. Because what happens, in my opinion, they have done investigation. In such cases, that's why I again repeat, the such cases we don't get direct evidence, because for bomb blast, putting, etc., if somebody is caught on there only, then it is direct evidence. But police must have done investigation. We can't point blankly reject investigation of police, because police different, government is different. Government may have political motive, but police agency, they don't have motive. What benefit they will get? Police officers today, this government, another is another government, they have to work under them. So, and we can't totally deny professionalism of Mumbai police or professionalism of NIA at that time. Officers may change, but officers now some officers must be still working. Some might have retired. So this is how we view in this case. Let's see how victim families, they also react. And we fully agree. If they are not involved, yes, they should be acquitted. But this is very unfortunate. Now, who is culprit? Now, what justice victims will get? What is the impression of state or police agency on the minds of victims? They've lost their relatives. So this is how we have to work. That we should not jump that it is totally exoneration. It is benefit doubt, because court needs to convict accused based on complete and solid evidences. That may be missing. So again, or that might not have been properly projected, pursued in the court. There are two things. Once, there may be fault of police that they have not collected required evidence, or it may be fault of prosecution, they have not projected properly, they have not pursued case in the court. Because unfortunately in India, what happens, the prosecution has become slowly independent of police agencies. Earlier, it was under police, it was totally under control of police. But slowly, such high profile cases, they get diluted during prosecution, during under trial, because much of not much interest is taken by police. It is only prosecution. So everything depends on prosecution how they follow. So there is need to have some control on prosecution by the police. Then only things can improve. Otherwise, cases will get acquitted like this. The train blast, and who is responsible? If they are not involved, then who is involved? Now let's come out on this, because we can't just say we are going only acquitting cases, and now we have to come out. The incident has taken
Yes.
place.